Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Google Play Store notifications one stop. One of the common issues of the Android users that keeps popping up on your notifications. So, here are the steps to stop Google Play Store notifications on your mobile device. First is to open your Android device and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications. Tap See All Apps if necessary. Scroll and select Google Play Store. Tap Notifications. Toggle off the switch at the top to block all notifications. Alternatively, manage categories individually by toggling on the notifications, then go to the notification style. For example, is updates, offers, or promotions. Disable auto update notifications by opening the Play Store, tap your profile icon, tap the settings, network preferences, auto update apps, and set to over Wi Fi only or don't auto update apps. Clear Play Store cache by going to settings, apps, all apps, Google Play Store, storage, and tap the clear cache. Clear Play Store data optional. Tap the clear storage or clear data to reset the app. Restart your device. And then check Google Play Services notifications. Sometimes these push extra alerts. Disable unnecessary notifications there too. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.